need these, I guess. Gosh, dang it.
Like, the first half's not bad, the second half is just... Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Right off. You just spit it out. I don't know what happened to that 2x4.
Yeah, that should be good. Alright, try it again. You're close. Let her...
Send it.
Send it. Alright. Woo, baby. Hey, we're good. We got her. So the purpose of this video is, well,
There wasn't really a purpose of this video.
yeah, there really is no purpose.
But you can look under my hood at my nasty four-banger.
Nasty. Oh, dude, we should find stickers that say nasty four-banger. I can't open this up.
It's been not wanting to open recently anyways, so... Sometimes when I pop the hood doesn't actually open.
Okay, look at this beautifulness. Right now, I guess we're analyzing what we can do with this. And my dad is listening to music very loud. What do you think of the lights? It's a little brighter in here.
You shouldn't get copyright striked, okay? As long as you talk over it loud enough.
Yeah, if we just talk over it loud enough. Oh, guys, look, I got new tools.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, guys, so we are freaking...
Don't show them the accident.
What accident? There was no accident.
Oh, that light's in my face.
So...
You see the very jerry-rigged poke that we got?
Yeah, well, the goal for this was to make it the loudest focus on Earth.
The loudest focus on Earth.
But, yeah. This is like the sketchiest way
It's the sketchiest...
Like...
The pipe.
Like, it's not even... It's just there. Like, it's shoved in.
Well, it's gonna get welded soon, so after inspection.
Yeah, after inspection we can punch a hole through that big cat, and
then every time I'm driving, you just hear this as well.
Yeah.
Squeaking.
Well, guys, this is like the best like handmade one that I've ever put together.
You can see the other cat up there too.
Yeah, so that's what we're planning to take off, that big heifer up there where the O2 sensors are.
We have to do some work around it though.
We gotta do some work around it, find a new header, and then we gotta put the muffler back on it for inspection.
But
at the end of the month.
if you can see, apart from that, let me put on this tight down here. This car sits way too low. Apart from that, the entire thing is straight piped all the way to the back.
Oh heck yeah!
You can see where the new and old pipe is. This is like the only part left of the old pipe is that corner, and then it goes back to the new pipe.
Yeah.
So basically the entire exhaust is brand new. The entire exhaust system is brand new.
Pet boy special.
Here, I'm trapped under here.
Basically right here, back, we have like, what, like 2 foot of original piping. All the rest is
that
from
one
Pet
corner
Boys.
pipe's the only original one.
Yeah, we ran it up over, you can't even see well, but we ran it up over the wheel. And then he bought this 4-inch exhaust pipe.
It's actually the same one on my truck too.
Same one that's on his truck.
What I need to put on for this patch is that the fart can muffler and the one cat, which isn't overall too bad. I do need to get one spot.
Yeah.
Though.
Yeah, 2 spots.
But
Two spots.
The car sits so low that it's hard to work under it.
Yeah. Well, the plans at your grandfather's place is to actually raise it up since he has concrete.
Yeah.
And put it on jack stands high enough so you can actually roll underneath there, get it welded. With the other cat, you know, I tried cutting around it, and then it, you know, the wheel exploded on me and slapped me in the face. Dude, you should have been there. Like, I should have videoed it, but it was high. I think I was wearing freaking safety glasses.
For once, wow.
I wear safety glasses a lot.
Okay.
Not at work. But, dude, the whole thing freaking exploded on me. It's a good time.
I was saying I should put like one of those, what are they called? Street racer, not street race, but one of those
tuner,
those track wings on it, like a
yeah. We need. It goes out from the bumper
yeah.
and sticks up here, and it says "I like booty." Yeah, dude, it's so cold. The battery went from 71 to 63 in like a couple minutes. But yeah,
you
so
take the shield off.
We tried to take the shield off. We ended up breaking the freaking stud right there.
And the suspicion is they're all gonna break, so.
Yeah, so probably run sometime, get some PB blaster if you really want to do it. That's if you want to wait for inspection.
Well, I'm going to wait for inspection. The plan was just to see what we needed for it.
Yeah. See, the hardest thing, if we were to put the new header on, or a new header on, one, we're probably gonna need some actual like welding work.
We're gonna need to get down to the engine too.
Get down here, because we're probably gonna have to remove some wires, push them all the way over here.
The bottom top's gonna need taken off.
Yeah. Like take a freaking crowbar, just beat through it.
Yeah.
Or you could just have the code just canceled. Yeah. See, it might run different, but like with all the computer stuff, it should be fine.
Too much computer stuff, I don't like it.
Yep. But this is the world's loudest Ford Focus.
Well, I don't know about that. It's a lot of, but
Focus sedan, four-door basic everything. I don't even know what model this is. What, the S?
I don't know. But
the SE.
If I get this with a straight header on it, then it would be probably the loudest one.
Yeah, but we'd make it legal
with the original engine still.
With some high flow cats and
a turbo.
And well, turbos eventually. This is currently, as we know, the loudest Focus that's completely stock.
As we know.
As we know.
There's probably another one, so.
Yeah, but, you know, they're probably, you know.
I mean, you'd be surprised how, well, I'm not surprised, but a lot of people are like, I think shouldn't, like, what's your one friend said, like, I've seen a lot of Focuses like this that people try to make loud and they can't.
You know, Burbleton coming up, turbo.
Yeah.
Turbo with a supercharger.
I have 3 vehicles to worry about, so eventually it'll get there.
Yeah. Get a cold start, and then we're gonna try to re-straight pipe LaFonda, my baby. That's the plan. That's the plan, if we can. Those pops are so loud. Oh my god. Oh, you got close. I know, you got so close there. Yeah. Oh, hold up. Alright, so we finally got her straight piped. It took a lot less longer than I thought it was, but here's a muffler that had a whole bunch of water in it. It was great. But let's go start up. Oh, man. Right now, we're gonna head to go get some gas.
Go under the light. I can see your face.
Right now, we're gonna head to get some gas. I know I said I wouldn't do this, but I'm gonna take her out on the salty roads.
Salty roads. They're not that salty, so.
It could be a lot worse. But we're also gonna wash it, so.
Can we hear it?
Alright, so we just got gas, and well, you can't really see well. Car runs great. It's loud, like I like it. And well, we're heading to the car wash. Hopefully it's still open. And if it's not, then we'll go to machines. But yeah.
Well, I just hit the red button on the top and it's recording.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see.
I mean, you probably just cut the beginning of this out, so I'm just pointing it at the floor the entire time. Look.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Look. I mean, it doesn't look bad. The door's not closed. Okay, he's going to do a cool cinematic edit when you're watching this video, okay? So if he doesn't do that cool cinematic edit, then he's bad at editing. That didn't last too long, did it?
I think it was like 3 minutes.
I mean, you got most of it. There's like just one spot on your wing that you didn't get. Just blow it off. Well, there goes my ears.
Is that loud or what?
How was that?
That's good.
What was that?
That was really good.
The side of the road and I stepped in a puddle. And it's dark, so you guys are going to see absolutely nothing for a while. So I hope he cuts this out of the video. All right, here he comes. I'm sure you're cutting this out, right? It sounds loud and good. Definitely not, the pops aren't nearly as loud as they used to be without the tip on it.
I mean, it didn't pop as much. I tried to make a pop going in, but yeah, whatever, I guess.
All right, that's it. Bye.
Or back up. Or pull up forward. Pull forward. Pull forward. All right, stop. Now go back.
Here's about that.
Nelly. But yeah, well, I guess we're gonna get.
You want one of yours now?
Well, I'm not gonna rev it. I'm just gonna pull it in.
I'll just start it for you.
I gotta pump up this tire too.
Oh.
Cause 13.
I didn't know yours stays revved a lot longer.
A little bit. I miss that sound so much.
Oh, He's sliding down the hill. You don't hear nothing squeaking at all.